Hi, I'm Taylor.
And I'm Jenny.
And we're the co-founders of the makeup brand Nudestix, and we're so excited to officially launch Sephora India. So nude means everything in our assortment, every color we have is a shade of neutral for all skin tones. So we really want to create a color palette that just accentuated your finest features. Because if you think about the modern day woman, like the career woman, the mom, the everyday girl, she just wants to look like herself, but better. But a little bit better than how we woke up in the morning. And Stix is,
my background is actually chemical engineering. I've been formulating cosmetics for about 25 years. So what I did was I engineered products that you would typically find in liquids or powders or creams, and I actually formulated into pencil format. So literally the way you use Nudestix is you draw and you smudge.
Start with a complexion product that we have at Nudestix. It's really lightweight, it gives you more of like a skin-like finish. And then I go in with a little bit of contouring. We have concealer pencils. So I go in with my deeper concealer and I just kind of blend upwards to give me a little bit more of sculpted cheeks. And then I use my eyeshadows. So I go in with like a luminizer, so a lighter shade, and I use it in the inner corners, the brow bone, and then I go in with a little deeper luminous tone and wear that all over my lid and in my lower lash line. And then I'll take my lip color. I usually use my Intense Matte Lip Color in the shade Purity, or our Magnetic Matte Lip Color in the shade Rose, because it's more of like a natural pinky nude tone, and I use it on the lips, and I also use it on my cheeks for a really natural blush. The shades that we have work well for all skin tones. We, whenever we develop shades, we really look at, all skin tones, from the fairest to the deepest. So that's why you'll notice that all of our shades are so wearable, and you can't just choose one, because they're all so good. The reason why I have beautiful, full brows,
and I have thin brows.
My mom would always, whenever I pick up a tweezer or a scissor, she'd always like, "What are you doing? Put it down." She'd slap my hand away, because she was like, honestly, when I was younger, I used to overpluck and over tweeze my brows.
And then they don't come back.
Yeah. Beauty becoming more, firstly, inclusive, becoming authentic.
Hi, I'm Jenny.
And I'm Taylor, and if you guys loved this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hauterfly.